Well, it looks good, man. It really does. It looks good in there.
Yeah, that's some extra stuff I use to. This is kind of hard, man.
There's a here. This one's very flexible. This one actually flexes. I think you'll be able to get this. It'll start now. That's way too much, which is perfect.
Please.
Please. Here we go. First try, first start. It'd help if we connected the battery.
Yeah, I think I was taking off the work.
My cousin TJ, he's helping us out here, working with me now. Is it a neutral? That feels like neutral to me.
Is it?
It feels like it. Well, know when you try. Just hold on. Just in case it wants to jump forward. There we go. Let's see if we have spark, I guess, right? Let's see if we have spark.
Yeah,
Are you sure? Womp womp. We'll pick back up in a minute, guys. We already figured out he didn't have it plugged into the coil. That'll do it every time. All right. All right. Here we go again, guys. Fuck yeah, dude. Excuse my F-bomb, guys. I'm just excited. Let's get started now. The fuel bowl is filling up. Oh, I got a jump pack. Here, I'll go grab it. All right, so we pulled one of these off. Yeah, here we go. Like, this isn't connecting to anything, so we put new wires on it. And we'll come back here in a few minutes. I got other shit to work on, but just want to give you guys an update. All right, TJ says we're ready. Let's see. You want me to crank, dude? All right.
You gotta put the clutch in.
Oh, darn me. All right. What's up, guys? All right, here we go. It doesn't sound, it sounds like it's not getting spark to me.
Oh, he's not getting much fire.
Want to try it again?
Yeah.
Womp womp. Check out that sexy new tool there, guys. Tool truck special. The special is it was full price. No, but it's professional as hell, obviously. All right, guys. I'll turn this back on here in a minute. We're gonna pour some gas in it and regroup.
Yeah, on the book it says fuel cylinder. So I bought the book, you know, took the first look.
All right, guys, we swapped out the coil, tested it out to make sure this one had spark, and hopefully something will happen this time. We'll see. This is how old cars go, though.
Put the wheel back in. And
All right, you ready to try it? Here we go, guys. Okay, all right. Here we go.
Oh.
Ready? Clear?
Yeah.
Huh. Huh. That sounds like no spark. But we got spark coming out of the coil.
Okay, I'm gonna pull the distributor cap up and I'm gonna put the probe on it and see what it does when it turns on it.
Okay.
Alright, we're getting the probe out. Where's the probe? What do you got?
Crazy. I guess I'll get out. Are you ready to try it? You ready?
Yeah. Try it.
I am. It's not doing anything.
Hang on 1 second. Alright, do it again. Hold on 1 second.
All right, guys. I'll turn this back on when we have something exciting and you're not looking at Hitler on the dash. What's up, guys? We're just going to wrap up the video here because it's going to be a new day tomorrow. So we ended with the Volkswagen. It's got no spark still. I really think it's the distributor's bad. So we ended up running another ignition wire and making sure that we were getting cranked voltage and we were cranking, excuse me, and we still weren't getting fire. So I don't know, man. Charging the battery, and Tommy's gonna dig in it some more tomorrow. I've got an engine to build tomorrow. I'll take videos of both of those, so hopefully it'll be firing off tomorrow. Anyways, thanks, guys. I'm here about to go through the car wash, getting my truck washed. It's 7:30 p.m. It started at 9 a.m. So that's kind of late. Boo-hoo me, but I'm pill blessed every day, guys. There's so much work and everybody's happy. I've got a new employee and everything's going well, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Until next time, peace.